Former U.S. Attorney Jessica Aber was found dead in her Virginia home at 43 years old. As of right now, they still don't even know the cause of death. Now, they're already saying that there's no proof of foul play, which is crazy because they don't even know the cause of death, which automatically leads me to believe that there was some foul play. And the reason we cannot rule out foul play is because former attorney Aber was strange in that she didn't seem to have any loyalty to anything other than the law. And if you understand how becoming a U.S. attorney works, you know that you have to play politics. You have to pick a side and you have to play the game. And Jessica didn't really do that. For example, Aber was able to get an Israeli citizen extradited back to the U.S. to be tried and prosecuted for facilitating the illegal entry of Israeli citizens into the United States with fraudulent tourist visas. She even dived into all the illicit behavior this particular Israeli citizen participated in while living in the U.S. before he ran back to Israel. I personally do not know any other attorney that could get an Israeli citizen extradited back to the US of all places and then successfully prosecute them. But let's not confuse this with being anti-Israel, because she did get a former CIA operative to plead guilty for leaking documents that were showing that Israel planned on targeting Iran, and it actually caused Israel to postpone their attack on Iran last year. And to make a long story short, she said it's because he violated his oath. Now, personally to me, anybody that exposes Israel is a hero, but I just find it interesting that one of Aber's prosecution almost directly contradicts any belief that she has a preference into how she chooses or not chooses to apply the law. Even corporations weren't safe from Aber. She helped secure a guilty plea from the U.S. subsidiary Siemens Energy Incorporated in Virginia. I mean, this lady actually seemed to be so dedicated to her job that she piled up 50,000 miles on her Hyundai, just driving around, talking to citizens about how disgruntled they were with the law enforcement in the area. I mean, you can literally take your pick, guys. She pissed off CIA. She pissed off Israel. I mean, she went after Russians. She even prosecuted an MS-13 mega boss. It seems like U.S. Attorney Aber's only concern was being the best U.S. attorney and most objective U.S. attorney that she could possibly be, which is exactly why I refuse to rule out foul play, because the worst possible thing you can do in the U.S. political bureaucracy is be an honest and objective attorney or federal judge or prosecutor or politician. If they know no one is off limits, then you are a danger to the status quo. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below.